I'm gonna take my car through a touchless car wash. It's been pretty dirty. Life has been a little hectic. So, not hectic, but I've been busy and haven't had a chance to wash it in a while. Um, it's been a few weeks since I last washed it, and it's not horribly dirty. Um, but you do see a little bit of dust, um, and that's the big culprit for doing the car wash today. Um, but a little bit of dirt there, you can see it. So let me take it to the car wash. All right, so here are my options right now. I'm probably gonna do the super wash. We got the green light now. All right, we're stopped in Carden Park, and it is 6:52 when I showed up. Um, I want to see if this is a time-saving thing, or if it's something that, hey, does Rinseless do a better job, a quicker job, or how good of a job this does? So we'll go through this car wash experience, and then at the end, I do plan on hitting any wet spots that are still there with. I got my Diva Rinseless towel, some C6 ceramic mist, or C6 mist for my drying aid, and my little Ryobi blower to take away any of the water spots or water that's left in like the cracks and crevices, mirrors and stuff like that. So car wash is starting to foam on after the pre-rinse. And that's it. The timer started for the blower. I'm now going through. I don't think it did a really good job at drying, so the blower will be quite a big help here. The handheld little Ryobi. All right, at 6:56. Let's go look at the outside. Well, it seemed like it did a pretty decent job at washing the car. A little bit of soap there still. Bird balm seemed to be. Oh, no, there's a little bit of it there. There's quite a bit of water coming off of it still. The dryer, the blowers didn't do a really good job. So let's start off with uh, hopefully we can see how much water still came out of there. Usually mirrors are pretty wet, but All right, I think I got most of the water on the crevices now. Do a quick wipe using our drying aid. And it looks like it cleaned enough where I'm not afraid of using it. Um, this is my final wipe. I don't see any grime or grit on the panels. So this is just taking off the water spots or whatever's left over. Put a little bit extra on the bird bond here, and you probably can't see this, but I'm not too worried about the windows right now. I'll do those later, but just I want to get the panel done. Now for the final go through here, we'll walk through. Again, I'm not worried about the windows. I'll do those at home. I use the wet glass cleaner, but you can still see some bug guts there. It's not perfect, but in a pinch, it will do. Still see a little bit of water dripping there. And there, I opened up the tailgate to get some of the water out. But it's still gonna drip for a while, I know, the car. So that was it. Let's go check, get back in the car and check what was the time. I believe we started at 6:51. I've been recording for 15 minutes, almost 16 minutes. Yep, 7:06. If you can see that. 7:07 there. But about 15, 17 minutes, somewhere in that 16 minutes so far. I was able to wash the car and get it to a decent shape, but is it worth it? I'll have to do a follow-up on how long it takes me to do rinseless, and then the quality wasn't there, right? So things to consider. Just wanted to give you another perspective of when you don't have the time and you want to do a safer car wash. There's one alternative. All right, well, I hope you guys like, subscribe, and we'll talk at the next one. See you. Bye-bye.